How's it, everyone? Happy Monday. It is June 23rd. Let's talk waves for the week. Looking out at Folly right now, this is pretty much what we're going to be working with for the first half of the week, guys. And you're probably wondering, dude, it's hurricane season. Why do we not have any waves, seemingly? There's a couple reasons for it. We can talk kind of big picture for a second here. First of all, sea surface temperatures in the Atlantic are below average for the first time in about a decade. So that's hindering your tropical cyclone development. Also, we've got a massive swath of high pressure sitting over the tropics in the Atlantic as well as through the Caribbean. That's also allowing trade winds to be a little bit stronger, which are keeping sea surface temperatures even cooler. The good news is that high pressure blob sitting over the tropics right now is forecasted to shift north starting in August. And so your Euro model, Colorado State University, and your guys at NOAA are all still predicting, as of right now, an above average activity season. So, fingers crossed, we're playing the long game this season, guys. Slow start, but we should start to see a little more activity in the tropics as we get through July and August, of course. So, again, live look at Folly right now. First couple days of the week are probably going to look like this. So it's small, but it's clean. Maybe a couple waves to find on a longboard or a big board if you are into that. Again, tomorrow, Tuesday, 1.5 feet at 7 seconds. Again, not much swell to work with. By Wednesday, though, we're bumped up to 1.5 feet at 8 seconds. So a little bit more swell. Should still be clean in the morning. Thursday morning, we are up to almost 2 feet of swell at 10 seconds. Now, this is southeast swell we're talking about all week here, so it could have a little more power than that wind swell we've been dealing with the last few weeks. By Friday, we're up to 2.5 feet at 9 seconds of southeast swell, with potentially favorable winds in the morning. So Friday could be sneaky fun. Saturday, we're up to almost 3 feet of swell at 8 seconds, again in that southeast direction, with what looks like good favorable winds in the morning. So Friday, Saturday morning, keep a lookout on that forecast for the winds, especially. Hopefully that swell holds out, and we'll get some waves, a little bump Friday and Saturday. Again, guys, we're playing the long game with this hurricane season. So hang in there, have fun on the smaller days while they last, and hopefully we will get some waves as we get into July and August. Everyone have a wonderful week. You.